Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create multiple bar chart in Excel. If you are new to this channel, please press the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified. So to create a multiple bar chart, we have taken a control group and the treatment group data from the gene expression, normalized gene expression. This is just an arbitrary data just to show how to create the multiple bar chart. So to create a multiple bar chart, select the data points and go to insert and select the bar chart. So now we have the bar chart with the details of the normalized gene expression level, control group and the treatment group. You can do multiple things in this graph to make it much more beautiful. And one of those things is the addition of the changing the legends to the different corner to get this, and you can remove the grid lines to get more beautiful graph. And you can even change the color of the bars by selecting the bars. You can go to chart design, and then we can change the color of that. From format, you can change the shape fill color to red or green, whatever you like to. So that is another option. And you can add the data labels here. You can add the data labels, something like this. You can make it bold for both the data points. And if you don't want this, you want in a table format, you can just select the table format with the legend. So you have the legend details here, the series details here, control and the treatment, and you will have much more neat data here. And you can change the chart title, normalized gene expression level. Okay, and additionally, if you want to change the change the axis title, you can add the details here. Here the fold change, I can write. I'll just remove this. So those things can be edited here. And if you want to change the overlap and the gap width, you can just adjust this from here. You can change the gap width to increase or decrease, and even the series overlap we can change if you want to keep it separate, or the gap width, all those things can be adjusted. So that's all about the plotting of multiple bar chart. And if you like the video, please press the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you.